Review backup arrangements. There are two ways to realize such a backup in practice. The first is a second independent IMO-compliant ECDIS. This could be the backup arrangement on board your current vessel. It ensures that a software failure does not result in a critical situation. It guarantees a safe and seamless takeover from one station to the other in order to maintain safe navigation for the remaining part of the voyage. The second option is to carry a full folio of paper charts covering the area of the intended voyage. These charts must be maintained and updated in the usual manner. It should always be checked which backup arrangements are present on board of the current vessel. Confirming system information. To view the system information, click on Menu, select About. The pop-up About window provides the following information: vessel and system-specific information, such as software version, name and number of the workstation. Module version information about connected units, such as IHO standards in use, AIS, and radar. In addition, click on the Super Home button and select Maintenance Infrastructure. A system overview with a graphical status display of connected sensors and units will be shown. Software update. A continuous software update is essential for compliance with the performance standards. However, software updates can only be carried out by authorized service staff. For detailed information, please contact shipservice.sam@wartsilla.com. Synchronization of chart data. Click on Super Home, select Maintenance Nautical Charts. Make sure the IHO ENC database is selected. Click on the Mode drop-down menu, select Update. Open the Functions drop-down menu. Select Update Remote IHO ENC Databases. By default, the MFD, this one, is the source for the synchronization. Note, the source must be the MFD. The update has already been performed by applying the latest update media. Select the checkbox of the MFD to be synchronized in the Destination panel. To synchronize the chart data, click on the Start button. The synchronization progress, as well as the confirmation and summary message, will be displayed in the IHO ENC Protocol tab. Automatic synchronization of route data and user symbols. In an integrated system with several MFDs connected to each other by a network, each MFD has the same route data and user symbols automatically. Note, restoring of route data on one workstation overwrites the route data of all MFDs. See Instruction 8212, Restore Routes.
Backup of routes. User-defined routes can be saved on a USB memory stick. To back up routes, click on Menu and select Maintenance. Click on Tools and select Routes. In the Function group, select the Function drop-down menu and choose the device which is to be used as a backup media. Click on Browse to select the path where the desired archive directory is located. Existing routes in this archive directory will be overwritten. If a new archive directory needs to be added, activate the New Archive checkbox and enter the desired directory name. Click on Start Backup Routes. When the backup is completed, a corresponding message will be shown. Click on OK to confirm. Restoring of routes. Make sure the Routes tab is selected. Open the Function drop-down menu and select Restore Routes. Click on the Restore From drop-down menu and select the device that contains the backup route data. Click on Browse and select the respective routes archive. Apply with Select Dataset. To start the restoration process, click on the Start Restore Routes button. Apply with Start. The Restore Routes window pops up. Note: it should be kept in mind that the restoration process will always overwrite all existing routes in the system. Confirm with Replace. When completed, click on OK. Backup of user symbols. Make sure the User Symbol tab is selected. Open the Function drop-down menu and select Backup User Symbols. Click on the Backup to drop-down menu and select the plugged backup, USB drive. Click on Browse and select the respective archive the user symbol data should be stored to. Apply with Select Dataset. Alternatively, activate the New Archive checkbox and enter a proper name. Continue with OK. To start the backup, click on the Start Backup User Symbols button. Apply with Start. The backup will be stored as a user sim file. When completed, apply with OK. Restore user symbols. Make sure the User Symbol tab is selected. Open the Function drop-down menu and select Restore User Symbols. Click on the Restore From drop-down menu and select the device that contains the backup data. Click on Browse and select the respective User Symbol archive. Apply with Select Dataset. To start the restoration process, click on the Start Restore User Symbols button. Apply with Start. The Restore Routes window pops up. Note: it should be kept in mind that the restoration process will always overwrite all existing user symbols in the system. Confirm with Replace. When completed, click on OK. Customize Passage Plan. Click on the Super Home button and select ECDIS Planning. Right-click on the desired route in the Route Explorer tab and select Waypoint List. The Route List window pops up. Click on the Route drop-down menu and select Set up Passage Planning. The following options are available. Page, to toggle between A4 and US letter formats. To toggle between portrait and landscape appearance. Add drop-down menu. To add an additional parameter to the plan. Percentage. Status of available space on the printed paper in percentage. Information will be missed if the value is negative. Columns panel. Overview of selected passage plan parameters. Right-click on a parameter to remove or to insert a parameter. Document Preview panel. Standard window bar with features such as print function. To customize the passage plan, insert or remove a column as required. Additionally, drag and drop a column to a position as desired. Note: the customized passage plan setting applies to all other routes. Print Passage Plan. In the Route Explorer tab, right-click on the route to be printed. Next, select Waypoint List. Open the Route drop-down menu and click on Print Passage Plan. To print the route, one option is to select a print device or the device provided by the system. Microsoft XPS Document Writer. Enter a proper name. Apply with Save. Alternatively, open the Route drop-down menu and click on Set up Passage Plan. Click on the print icon. Generally, the printout can be directed either to a network printer connected to the system, a fax address, or an XPS file which is stored on a default directory in the system or on a removable USB storage device. Note: the printer list can vary, depending on the installation's layout. Manual Screenshot. Click on the Screenshot button in the menu line. The context menu pop-up provides the option to print screen on paper in A3 or A4 format. Or alternatively, click on Store Screen. Select either XPS Default Location or Unknown Device. To save the screen to a removable USB storage device, select Unknown Device. The screenshot will be automatically stored as an XPS file. The file contains the source and the creation of the date-time group.
Three-month duration. To review the Voyage data recording, open the Superhome and select Voyage Replay. Enter the date and time for the period of interest by using the spin boxes. If required, set the data filters for ship data, LOP data, and chart data. Click on Filter Voyage Data to view the Voyage recording data. A complete list of data will be displayed, sorted by date and time for the set period. Note: Voyage data recording is done automatically. No operator's action is required. Data are stored every 10 seconds for a period of 90 days. Older data are overwritten automatically.